This is how I created my Billie Eilish album cover inspired video right from my bedroom. I started by taking a series of photos of myself on my bed, trying out different poses to get that floating effect. This part was a bit tricky, making sure every part of my body looked like it was drifting in midair. Next, I imported the photos into Photoshop. I removed my bedroom background and combined the best parts of each photo to create a seamless image. For the background, I used Photoshop's generative AI to craft a surreal underwater-inspired scene. I made some color adjustments to enhance the overall vibe and make everything blend together beautifully. Next, I brought the Photoshop files into After Effects. Using the puppet tool, I animated certain parts of my body to give the illusion of floating underwater. I added fractal noise, which added some movement to the water surface and the ground beneath me. And lastly, I sprinkled in some bubbles for that extra underwater feel. And voila, here's the final result. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow for more creative tips and tricks. Bye!